pretty cool. It's a wood frog. Wanna feel it, Aves? Oh,
Feels so squishy.
very good. And he was making all sorts of noise, huh? That's him. Okay, should we put him back? Say bye, wood frog.
I was
Oh, there he goes. And there he is. He found the water.
Yeah.